What's going on, guys? Uncle Luke here. Here it is tonight, Game 6, over in Raleigh at PNC Arena. We have to win this game, or else our season's over. Hurricanes, Capitals. Hopefully, the Hurricanes win, tie up 3-3, and get into Game 7. Yeah, we gotta win tonight. Our goalie's gotta have a better game. We cannot let them score. I'm really nervous, y'all. We'll see what happens. Of course, Sebastian Aho, Jordan Stahl, Justin Williams, and a lot of more have to have a great game. Penalties killed us the last game, so we can not have penalties tonight. Yeah. And I'll see you after the first period.